Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the battery in your HP Quince-Ek laptop and performing essential maintenance. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap T2. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any static damage. Begin by shutting down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. To do this, locate the screws on the bottom of the laptop. There are typically DS screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. With the back cover removed, you will see the battery. The battery is usually secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you find it difficult to remove the battery, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Now, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a bit of wiggling, but be careful not to pull too hard. Once the connector is free, you can lift the battery out of the laptop. Take your new battery and align it with the connector. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Reattach the screws to secure the battery. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Next, let's clean the internal components of your laptop. Dust can accumulate over time, affecting performance. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help keep your laptop cool and running efficiently. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check to ensure that the new battery is recognized and charging correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can know the costs up front without any surprises. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery and performed maintenance on your HP Quince-Ek laptop. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your device and improve its performance. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.